We're faced with a threat we can't control. One we can't even see.
I didn't know you could get that big.
Assalamualaikum dan hey guys, it's Freeze ya. Hari ni Freeze akan react Spider-Man Brand New Day, trailer yang paling terbaru pukul 4 pagi. Okay guys, trailer ni keluar 3 pagi tadi. Dan disclaimer yang Freeze bukanlah penonton yang baca komik Marvel Freeze hanya tengok dia punya movie dan juga TV series. So kalau salah ke apa, komen lah apa kat bawah. So without further ado, jomlah kita tengok. Okay, semua dah ready Okay, nak beritahu, first tengok Freeze takkan react, Freeze takkan cakap, takkan apa, Freeze just tengok je. Sebab nak menghayati, orang cakap nak menghayati Dah lah, banyak cakap siap kau ni. Tak loading lah. Okay.
What is happening to me? Did you miss me, Spidey?
Scorpion.
I'm losing my mind. I am totally out of control. I gotta fix whatever this is right now.
Final semester MIT.
Dad, who do you think
Kuat
is
siap
actually watching
Spider-Man.
these?
Maybe someone.
Okay, well, bye someone.
What the? Dr. Banner, you found a way to suppress mutating DNA, right?
If you see me with this stuff, run.
So could you get rid of the bad aspects but keep the good?
How would you decide what parts of nature are good or bad?
Sorry about that.
You're not one of my students, are you?
It appears we're faced with a threat we can't control. One we can't even see. You're the only one who's immune to it. You're the only one who can sense it.
And what do you think they're looking for?
Oh, see, you stumbled across my board. I'm not one of those weirdos, I swear.
He's a little weird.
What?
I'm MJ.
You two don't know each other?
Yo, Spider-Man, you okay? You get rid of that monster inside you?
Think I might go see how MJ's doing.
You're not gonna get away with this.
Siapa tu?
But he might.
I didn't know you could get that big.
Hey!
But you're in danger. You just have to trust me.
Fine.
This whole thing can get really scary.
Who the hell is that?
Who the hell are you?
Frank, please. I don't
Frank.
have anywhere else to go.
By the people who love you,
Just gonna let him
Oh,
go
May
himself?
suara ke?
love you because you're you.
If you're gonna do something, you better do it now.
Never forget that. No matter how powerful you become.
I miss you, mate. Huh. All right, just give me a sec. Give me a sec.
Baik ni.
I'm not in high school anymore. Oh. Did you stretch? You a big stretcher?
Ha?
It's so good for you. You ready?
Mampus. Damn. Okay, Fiz. Okay, kali ni baru kita boleh cakap ada banyak benda tu. Yang Fiz nampak tadi ada Savage Hulk. Lepas tu yang Fiz rasa macam ada Hobgoblin tu. Hobgoblin nama dia. Yang Ned tu, kawan Peter Parker ni. Lepas tu macam ada Jean Grey macam. Tadi nampak saya dising, tapi tak tahu tu Jean Grey lah kot.
What is happening to me?
So mula-mula dah lawan Scorpion. Okay, member ni memang dah nak jadi orang kata Man Spider lah.
Totally out of control.
Oh, dia kuat tu.
Whatever this is right now.
Dia rembat tu Scorpion tu. Muka dia pun salah-salah. Ini tak apa-apa faham. Ini ini organic web dia dia terkeluar sekali. Mana organic web dia? Dah terkeluar.
A way to suppress mutating DNA, right?
If you see me with this stuff, run.
So could you get rid of
Oh, jangan nanti Fitch bagi tahu.
How would you decide?
Ni apa anjing ke tu? What? Ke baju dia? Dia ni dah tak boleh kawal kot. Dia punya kuasa tu yang tu burung tu.
Nature are good or bad?
Face rasa masa ni dia dah tak dapat kawal dah ni. DNA dah mutate.
It appears we're
Teruk
faced
ni.
with a threat we can't control. One we can't even see.
Ni sedising doh. Kenapa dia ni
It appears we're faced with a
we face with a threat we cannot control?
threat we can't control.
Dia tak nampak pun. Sebab sadis, sebab kuasa Jean Grey ni main dalam otak tau. Dia mind control. Sebab tu lah dia orang tak nampak. Ini apa jadi
You're the only one who's immune.
Ni apa jadi duk? You the only one who immune? So Fiz tak tahu yang adakah sedising tu Jean Grey ke tak. Tak pasti.
To it.
Apa sebab yelah sebab dia orang cakap Jean Grey tak tahulah ada karakter yang sama power macam kau tengok kat trailer ni.
You're the only
Tapi like ni apa jadi tu?
one who's immune to it.
Dia orang macam dia orang macam freeze tu.
You're the only one who's immune.
Ya tu.
The only one who can
Ini apa jadi? Apa benda ni? 4.09 ni dah macam Stark punya suit dah. Yang ni. Spider-Man Unmasked, Coldest Latino Parkour Prodigy The Web Slinger. Apa ni?
You stumbled across my
Oh ni Ned punya bot. Ned tengah cuba cari identiti Spider-Man.
see you.
Wah. Ini rumah Ned ke apa? Party ni. I mean like dom dia. Yang ni. Kuasa mind control.
You're not gonna get away with this.
But he might.
But he might. Kenapa Bruce yang cakap, Matt? Okay, Fiz rasa apa tu, dia orang cakap ni Savage Hulk. Fiz pun tak tahu betul ni Savage Hulk lah kot.
But he might.
Oh, dia punya jam tu tercabut. Macam jam. Macam untuk tahan radiation dalam badan Bruce. Tu yang menggila dah Mamat tu. Hulk ni. Dia kata I don't know you couldn't get that big. Maksudnya ni Savage Hulk lah kot sebab lagi besar daripada sebelum ni kan. Kalau kau nampak kat sini dia orang lawan kat mana tu ni?
Can get really scary.
Who the hell is that?
Who the hell are you?
Frank, please. I don't have anywhere else to go.
Frank. Oh dia lepak kat Frank punya tempat lah. Haa lah.
You because you're you.
Ninja apa entah nama ni lupa lah. Oh The Hand lah, The Hand. So kan Fiz tak tengok Daredevil. Mungkin Fiz akan tengok sebelum Spider-Man Brand New Day ni.
Because
Oh dia orang tak ada tease Daredevil lah dalam ni.
you.
Just gonna let him go himself?
Love you because you're you.
Tu Frank.
You're gonna do something.
Oh Fiz rasa Frank join ni.
Do it now.
Never forget that. No matter how powerful you become.
Wih style tu ni scene ni.
I miss you, mate.
Okay ni ada something yang campak dua orang ni tapi tak tahu siapa.
I miss you, mate.
Damn.
All right, just give me a sec.
Jangan ni boleh pula. Ni dia buat apa tu? Jap tapi kan. Sabar. Yang ni dia still pakai web shooter dia tu.
You ready?
Fiz ingat ni early scene ke apa kan? Bukan ni scene akhir-akhir. So saya rasa itu je kot yang Fiz boleh nampak kat trailer ni. Sebab dekat sini kat masa lawan Scorpion ni pun dia dah mutated dah ni. So senang cerita hanya Spider-Man je yang boleh lawan the villain dalam cerita ni. Sebab villain tu tak dapat nak kawal Spider-Man. Gitu lah dia punya cerita. Tapi macam dia orang cakap yang akan villain sebenarnya lah tak tahu lah ni teori adalah Man Spider. Yelah dia kan nak mutated. Dia tak tunjuk Daredevil dalam ni. Ini saya dising tu. Tapi yang nak tahunya dia ni Jean Grey ke tak. Tapi macam Jean Grey sebab Jean Grey punya baju kan hijau kuning kan. So kalau korang ingat trailer awal, trailer first, Dia ni ada lawan like karakter villain lain tau. Ada banyak lagi yang, tapi kat trailer ni dia tunjuk 1-2 Savage Shark dia tunjuk. Dia tak tunjuk banyak sangat lah. Dia tak tunjuk tapi dia tunjuk lah Jean Grey. Tapi tu Jean Grey kan. Ya, Fiz rasa itu je. Lepas ni mungkin Fiz akan tunggu review orang lain sebab dia orang lagi hebat lah. Dia orang kan siap baca apa, komik apa semua sebab tak silap Fiz, movie kali ni memang banyak gila reference dari komik. So yeah, Fiz mana tengok komik ni, apa dia kata, if you, ni lah dia cakap, if you see me with this off,
With this off, run.
you run. Betul lah tu. Member senyum je. Okay, ini yang Fiz nak tahu sebenarnya. Ada sebab setiap movie Marvel akan ada keluar credit scene yang Spider-Man will return in Avengers, you know. Macam itu. Adakah movie Spider-Man Brand New Day ni akan tunjuk, tapi Fiz rasa akan tunjuk pun. Yang Fiz nak tahu, adakah dia bagi tahu dia Spider-Man ni muncul dekat Doomsday ke Secret War? Tu yang tak tahu tu. Sebab dia orang cakap banyak kat Secret War, tapi misal kata kita tengok movie tiba-tiba keluar kat Doomsday, tak ke pisang. Tapi teori terus tukar lain tau tak? Mesti dia orang terus tukar teori. Sebab dia orang cakap kat Secret War Spider-Man ni nanti dapat symbiote lah apa kan. Tapi Fiz rasa kalau dia buat Return in Doomsday pun kan, Fiz rasa dekat ujung-ujung je lah Spider-Man keluar. Fiz rasa Spider-Man tak ada spot dekat Doomsday sebab dia orang nak naikkan, sebab ada banyak lagi karakter lain. I think that's it. Kita akan jumpa lagi. Fiz tak pasti Fiz akan review ke tak sebab Fiz tengok seminggu lambat rasanya sebab Fiz rasa tiket semua akan habis. Dah kalau dia keluar sebulan awal, korang boleh pre-order sebulan awal. Lepas tu jenis Fiz takkan beli like biar betik tu sebulan awal. Lepas tu bulan depan kot ada hal ke apa kan, tu yang tak nak. Mungkin Fiz akan tengok minggu depannya. So guys, kalau kau suka video ni jangan lupa like, subscribe dan jangan lupa turn on notification bell so kau tak miss video Fiz lagi. Kalau kau nak tahu lebih lanjut tentang channel Fiz, kau boleh masuk Discord dan follow social media Fiz. And I see you guys setiap hari pukul 8 ataupun pukul 9 malam. Peace out.